We are back. Finally, recording consistently. Weekly uploads on YouTube. We're feeling good. I'm hype about this. I'm locking in on my YouTube grind. I'm actually editing videos. I'm actually recording. Plan for today, for this video, is a full day of eating. I haven't done one of those yet. And now that I'm off prep, I can be eating essentially whatever I want. But I also want to look shredded. I want to feel good. So I'm prioritizing whole foods. But this could give you guys some ideas and gives you a rough idea of what I eat. We're on to the first thing I consume in the day. It's a Ghost. If you're on my live streams on TikTok, you're not surprised. I do drink a lot of these throughout the day. Not necessarily recommending it, but I do drink a lot of Ghosts or energy drinks in general. Appetite suppressant. Your boy has a big appetite. Alright. Your boy is still fasted. Usually I eat like first thing in the morning. I'm usually pretty hungry. Staying locked in. We're gonna go on a walk. That's my change of plans. Get some steps in early. Feel good. Oh, the Ghost is coming back. Bang! Waffle mix. Waffle maker. Waiting for it to warm up. Oh, it warmed up right now. Goated. Let's go. The Davis Penny Mog waffles are working. Because look at this. We still got like this much left, but that's volume eating at its finest. This is like 570. I did the math before. 570 calories, 78 grams of protein. Are you kidding me? And I'm gonna be full, and I have my carb up meal, and I'm at the gym. Final look at that waffle stack. Dang, son. This is one of my best works. Bang. Guess what we got cooking? Bang. Bagel for carbs, pre-workout carbs. Holy. Yes. So, with my pre-workout carbs, I've kind of just been having whatever. And I like that. I like that I can just have the freedom to have whatever I want and get shredded, still stay shredded. This is around 58 grams of carbs for the whole bagel, 12 grams of protein, and I think it was like 3 grams of fat. So you want to stay relatively lower fat, lower protein, so your body can digest it pretty quick. Gonna eat this, probably wait 20 minutes, and then have maybe some fruit and honey, maybe a rice cake. But yeah, that's the plan right now. All right, this is number 2 meal pre-workout. There's a little honey. So basically what I did is I put some oatmeal and I put it in the microwave, right? And then I put a little bit of whey in with it, and I put berries and honey. It's gonna be gas. Guess what we have? Another Ghost. Grape, not ideal, but it was cold. 2 grapes today. You gotta work with what you got. Let's go. I was just thinking about this as I was driving. Got me really hyped. I've received, in the least cocky way possible, I've received so many DMs, and I want to say how much I appreciate you guys saying that I've inspired you to lift, to become aesthetic, to stick to your diet. That's crazy to me. I love inspiring people, and I want to be what David Lade was to me. I want to be the next David Lade. I want to inspire millions of people just with my name. Like when someone says David Lade, I just think aesthetic. Like his name has this aura that is inspiring, and there will never be anyone like him ever again. But if I'm even a fraction of what he became, I'll be happy. And I've already inspired so many people, so many more people than I ever thought I ever could. So just, I need to get myself out there to inspire millions. I want to inspire everyone to chase the aesthetic, to be aesthetic, because that's what gives me passion. That's what gives me the motivation to wake up and get out of bed. I'm addicted to this shit. So let's fucking go.
Back from the underground, like a thunder supreme, we started as a whisper and turned into a scream. Welcome to the Thunderdome. Thunderdome. Welcome.
Wondering, Davis, what do you do on your days off of work? Bro, I should be going into random grocery stores and looking around. I don't even buy nothing. I said to find cool shit. Like, what? What is this? Watermelon hibiscus popcorn. Wow, what an experience it was going to Whole Foods. I've never been in there before. Like, if I'm ever rich, you're finna catch me in there all the time. Ended up just getting this oil-free, salt-free, everything-free popcorn and Dave's Killer Bread. Whose fucking Lambo is at Whole Foods? We got a fucking Huracan in the parking lot of Whole Foods. I gotta start coming here more, start networking in the aisles. Oh my lord.
You've got that one thing. So get out of my head. I'm falling to my arms instead. I don't know what it is, but I need that one thing. Starships were meant to fly, end up and touch the sky.
little hungry, and I really wanted to try that popcorn that I just got. So we're gonna see how it is. Alright, we've been chilling for the past like 2.5 hours. We ate at like 2:30. Had that popcorn. It low-key held me over, but making 2 beef patties and some sweet potato fries for dinner. So I went downstairs and I started the fries, threw them in the air fryer. But I saw a kiwi. Kiwis are very beneficial. This is a golden kiwi. Very good for your health. Closest thing to a superfood that you can find. So we're gonna chow down on this and then get cooking, I guess. Yeah, I know how to cook a burger. Weighing out the cheese. Here. And the fries too. Oh yeah, look at that. Sweet potato fries. Burger patty, avocado mash, pickles, and fat-free cheese. Little Dijon mustard for flavor. That's how you have a last meal, boys. That's how we stay locked in. This is like 50 grams of protein right here in this meal. And right around 500 calories. That's fucking insane. Your boy needs a little snack. Something sweet. That's what we finna grab. We got some broke coconut and a brownie batter. Oh shoot! Anyway, that's how we finna finish off the night. Mind how bad this lighting is, but that's a full day of eating for me to stay lean, relatively, you know. We're a little bloated from all the meals we ate, but that's what I eat a day. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration. Maybe you can enjoy some low-calorie meals like I do.
Right now, it's something we can't decide.